friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a quick haul video for you guys. I recently picked up a few new items, including a brand new stamp from a brand new company, and I wanted to share everything with you before I repackage it and put things away and start using them. So I thought I would just share them with you today. I'm going to set these off to the side and just go through things one by one. So the first thing, like I mentioned, I have a brand new stamp set from a little known company here. This is called Paperie Inc. This stamp set is called Bear Hugs. I recently found them on Instagram and I just thought that their designs are really cute. It is a very new company. She just sells off of Etsy, and there's only, maybe a dozen stamp sets, which she only usually has a few available at a time, and there are no dies to match at this point. But I just love them and I thought they were so cute. So when I saw this one released, I just had to grab it. I love these little bears. They're all hugging little baby bears, and there's some really great sentiments included as well, and a few little embellishment images. So I thought I might use this for my One Set 4 Ways series. Since there are 4 images, I thought that might be perfect for that. I haven't done one of those videos in a while and I've been wanting to, and I thought this would be great for that. So that is the brand new stamp set. The rest of the order is from my friend Vanessa Middleton's shop, Butterfly Reflections Inc., which is where I get almost all of my craft supplies. The first thing I got was these Studio Katia glitter hearts. They're just tiny little iridescent hearts that are great for shaker cards or as a small embellishment that's very subtle on a card, like I used the stars on my recent Mama Elephant card. But I just thought these would be great to have. They're just so gorgeous. And in keeping with that, the second thing that I picked up is the new Studio Katia embellishment picker. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it's this little jewel picker, and I've been using the Pick Me Up tool for quite a while. It's a little bit clunky sometimes, and it's just not been working as well for me lately. I think the putty inside is getting dried out, but this one doesn't use any putty, and it's supposed to pick up things. I sprinkled out a few hearts here from that thing, so you can see it does pick up things very well. So this is the end you pick things up with, and then this is the end that would help you set them down. And it also has some little crystals inside, and it's just easier to use. It's more like a pen or a mechanical pencil or something in your hands. So I thought I would try that out. I got a few things from the recent Avery Elle release. The first being these little speech bubbles. I just really liked the sentiments that were included, and I think speech bubbles are a really great way to add a sentiment to a card without having to use a banner or something like that. Sometimes you don't have room, or you just want to incorporate your sentiment a little bit more into the scene, and these speech bubbles work perfect for that. So I grabbed that along with the matching dies. I also picked up the new astronauts, which I just thought were so cute. I love the illustrations. This little Martian guy is super adorable. I also really love the moon that's holding the cake. Super, super cute. Great sentiments again. I just thought this was so fun. I loved the card examples that I saw on Instagram. And of course I did get the matching dies as well. The next stamp set that I got was the one I was most excited for. This is the hot dog, which is super, super cute. I just love these guys. I'm a total dog lover. And I just thought these were just so cute and so fun to color up. And they come with a lot of really good sentiments. Super fun. This little balloon is adorable. The dog holding the cake. This one's got his gifts on his back. This one's jumping out of the box. Just really, really cute. So I picked up that and the matching dies. And then lastly, I picked up 2 paper pads. Like I said, this is sort of a small haul. This is the American Crafts Jen Hadfield Hey Hello paper collection. So I am really sad that, you know, they've gone towards these larger pads. I don't love them. I don't think they're as easy to use on cards as the old 6x6 because the prints are a lot bigger now. But anyway, I can't, you know, you've got to just adapt and grow if things change like that. There's nothing you can do about it. So I thought these were really cute. I love these bees. And if you notice, they're like foiled a little bit. Interesting. They catch the light there if you tip that paper. So there's some little hedgehogs. There's another one with some foiling there. Really gorgeous print. I actually don't love the foiling, and I didn't know it had foiling on there. But anyway, I'm going to try to find ways to use it because the patterns are just so pretty. And it's not like super in your face. I feel like this one has more of a subtle bit of foiling. And I do think the foiling is pretty. I just have a hard time finding a way to use it on cutesy cards. I don't usually do like more elegant style cards, which is what foiling typically is. But I do feel like these designs go a little bit more towards the cutesy end of things. So hopefully they'll be able to work with what I do. The other paper pad that I got is from Pebbles, Happy Cake Day. This one also has gold foiling, and I didn't know it. But anyway, again, this one also lends itself towards, I love any kind of text print, I just love. Also lends itself towards more cutesy designs, and the foiling is not so in your face. Like there's a tiny bit right there. But a lot of it doesn't have it on. It's just little subtle details. So I think I can work with that. Some polka dots and florals. There's a foil polka dot. Balloons. That one's just foiled on the tips of the candles on the flame. And there's a lot of patterns in there that don't have the foiling, like the cupcakes and sprinkles. So anyway, I do really like it and hope that I'll be able to figure out ways to use it, you know, to suit my style. So that is actually my entire haul. Like I said, it was kind of a small one, but I've been doing some organizing lately, and I just wanted to, you know, get these kind of put into my organizational system, and I wanted to start using them and just show you guys what will be up and coming on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me what you think of this Paperie ink company. I think their designs are super cute and individual and unique, and I'm super excited to use those. And let me know what your favorite thing is from what I picked up, and maybe I can feature it in a video sooner rather than later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.